Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor.
In today's video, let me show you how you can use HelloFresh gift card. First, open any browser you have, search for HelloFresh website, and sign into your account. Next thing you want to do is open another tab, and on Google, type HelloFresh redeem. You should see the website where it says gift cards on HelloFresh.com. Tap on that, and it will direct you to a gift card page on HelloFresh. Go to redeem gift card. Type the code you have and click on Redeem button.
Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video.